Your check engine light just came on. Now what? Do you panic? Head straight to the mechanic and brace for a massive bill? Or do you take control, diagnose the problem yourself, and know exactly what's going on before spending a dime? Today, we're diving into the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBDII Scan tool, the tool that turns your phone into a professional-grade mechanics scanner. Here's why BlueDriver isn't just another code reader, it's a full-on diagnostic powerhouse. First, it lets you read and clear all the codes. Not just engine codes like most budget scanners, but also ABS, airbags, TPMS, SRS, the stuff mechanics usually keep locked behind their $1,000 tools. Second, it gives you the right fix instantly. Every time you scan, BlueDriver generates a repair report with possible causes and step-by-step fixes. No more endless Googling or guessing what that code actually means. Third, you can see your car's live data in real time: fuel trims, temperatures, oxygen sensor readings, everything you'd expect from a professional scan tool. That means you can monitor your car's health while you drive. And the best part, it's wireless. Just plug BlueDriver into your car's OBDII port, connect via Bluetooth to your iPhone or Android, and you're ready to roll. No wires, no clunky screens, just your phone and a sleek, powerful app loaded with repair videos, guides, and a massive database of fixes. And unlike some tools, BlueDriver comes with zero subscription fees or hidden add-ons. One purchase gets you everything. Oh, and it works with all gas-powered vehicles from 1996 and newer, covering GM, Ford, Toyota, Honda, BMW, Subaru, Hyundai, and more. Stuck? No worries. BlueDriver has 24/7 professional support, so if you need help, a trained tech is just a chat or call away. That's peace of mind you don't get with cheaper scanners. At the end of the day, BlueDriver gives you something most drivers never have: knowledge and confidence. Whether it's a simple check engine light or a complex ABS issue, you'll know exactly what's wrong before stepping foot in the shop. So if you're ready to take control, save money, and stop being in the dark about your car, the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBDII Scan tool might just be the smartest tool you ever buy.